What's going on, everyone? Today I am here to show you this absolutely stunning 2024 Merhow 7309 with a slide out or pop out, whichever way you want to call it, in the silver mist color. Just looks fantastic in the sun. Let's take a look. So this trailer comes with the Jiffy Jack already. Water spigot right there, spare tire, electric over hydraulic jack, dual propane tanks. Also got a nice battery box with dual batteries. Walk into the camper door, you'll see the nice electric awning that has an LED light strip on it as well when it's fully rolled out. Has a light up grab handle. Let's take a walk on side. So directly to our right, we're gonna have a nice cabinet area. With tons of space on the inside. Bluetooth stereo. And then inside here is actually a little slot for a DVD player or anything like that you want to plug into the TV. Has a HDMI cord ready to ran to it and an outlet. And then right here is actually the spot for the TV to mount to. Up in the front bed area, got an RV Queen mattress, reading lights. You have some storage space up in the front nose as well. And then 12 volt outlets, 12 volt USB ports to be able to plug your phone into and charge them. Those actually go off the battery, so you don't have to be plugged into a generator or anything like that to charge your phone batteries. Got another little cabinet slot right there. And then also there is your inverter with your breaker and your fuse panel. Taking a look at the actual sofa area or the slide out. This is all solid wood cabinetry. Sofa does turn into a bed very easily. Just like that. Pop it back up. The center folds down, it turns into a little cup holder. Also a nice little spot to be able to put your TV remote or anything like that, magazines. Up above, you have some more storage space. These latches are insanely nice. Definitely keep it nice and tight. Underneath the couch, got a large drawer on both sides. And then to the left of the doorway, you're gonna have the little kitchen area. So you got the fridge and freezer, sink, stovetop, microwave. Some more storage space right in here. Some more storage space as well. You do have the countertop extension. Take a walk into the bathroom. Got a porcelain toilet. And then a nice deep closet. To the left, you have the vanity, as well as the sink. Got the water heater right down inside there. Nice size shower. There you have it. That's the interior of this trailer. Now let's go take a look at the horse area and the outside. Walking to the back. Has some aluminum wheels. Sliding butt windows with a nice little LED light bar. This trailer does come with a ramp. Take a look into the tack room. Tons of bridle hooks. Adjustable saddle tree. And this is a collapsible rear tack. So you just take those screws out up top there. The saddle tree comes out and you can collapse this on in to be able to make it easier for loading anything else like a UTV, golf carts, you name it. This trailer does have the cobalt flooring, or also known as pee-through flooring. Airflow dividers. Has nice stall pads all the way around. Lower panel divider in the first stall, as well as line insulated ceiling and roof vent over each stall as well. Some nice bright load lights on the inside. Then on the head side, you got some drop down feed doors. You also have one in the escape door as well. Nice and heavy duty built. And then you got a camper door latch on the escape door. Be able to get into your first stall. So if you're using this for storage, it's nice and easy access. Then you also have a pass-through door going into your living quarters. Come on in and check this trailer out. It is absolutely stunning.